Hey everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Muscle Building Nutrition Guide. In this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know about proper nutrition to support muscle growth. Before we dive into the specifics of nutrition, it's essential to understand the importance of proper nutrition for muscle growth. Exercise alone is not enough to build muscle. You need to consume more calories than you burn, specific macronutrient ratios, and adequate micronutrients to fuel muscle growth. The first step in proper nutrition for muscle growth is calculating your calorie and macronutrient needs. In order to build muscle, you need to consume more calories than you burn. Calculating your caloric needs and macronutrient ratios will help you ensure that you are consuming the right amount of nutrients. Protein is a critical nutrient for muscle building. It provides the amino acids needed to repair and build muscle tissue. We'll discuss the recommended daily intake of protein, the best sources of protein, and how to optimize your protein intake for muscle growth. Carbohydrates are a crucial source of energy for muscle-building workouts. We'll cover the importance of carbohydrates, how to determine your optimal carbohydrate intake, and the best sources of carbohydrates for muscle growth. Fats are often overlooked in muscle-building nutrition, but they play a vital role in muscle growth. We'll discuss the importance of dietary fat, the recommended daily intake, and the best sources of healthy fats for muscle growth. In addition to macronutrients, vitamins and minerals are essential for muscle health. We'll go over the key micronutrients necessary for muscle growth and the best sources of these nutrients. Meal timing is an essential part of nutrition for muscle growth. We'll discuss the importance of meal timing and the optimal timing for pre-workout, post-workout, and bedtime meals. Consistency is essential for success in muscle-building nutrition. We'll cover tips and strategies to help you stay on track with your nutrition plan, including meal prepping and finding accountability partners. That concludes our video on the Ultimate Muscle Building Nutrition Guide. We hope you found this information helpful and informative, and we encourage you to use this knowledge to fuel your muscle-building journey. Remember to fuel your body properly, stay consistent, and be patient with the process. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next